Welcome, and thank you for joining AI and Automation for Finance Professionals. We're glad you're here. Before we dive into tools, concepts, or real-world examples, this short onboarding module is designed to help everyone start from the same place, with clarity and confidence. For many finance professionals, the term artificial intelligence can feel overwhelming. It's often associated with complex technology, coding, or even concerns about job security. If you've ever felt unsure, confused, or skeptical about AI, you're not alone. And this course was built with that in mind. The first goal of this module is to reduce fear and confusion around AI. We'll explain ideas in simple, business-friendly language and focus on what actually matters in your daily finance work. No buzzwords, no technical jargon. The second goal is to align everyone at the same starting point. Whether you're an analyst, accountant, manager, or controller, and regardless of your prior exposure to AI, this course assumes no technical background. We want everyone to feel comfortable and ready to move forward together. The third goal is to make this course relevant to you. You'll be asked to share the biggest pain points in your daily work. Things like manual processes, tight deadlines, reporting challenges, or repetitive tasks. Your input helps us tailor examples and discussions so they reflect real finance scenarios, not theory. And here's an important reassurance before we continue. You do not need any technical or coding skills to succeed in this course. If you can use Excel and understand common finance processes, you already have everything you need. This course is not about becoming an AI expert. It's about understanding how AI and automation can support you, save time, reduce errors, and allow you to focus on higher value work. So take a deep breath, stay curious, and let's begin this learning journey together.